begin, let us introduce ourselves.
I am Angelica Casio.
I am Daniel Ligosis Ritana.
I am Angel E. Saragusa. I am Hannah Jane Lilo.
I'm Shemari Damat.
And we are from HE1. Arat na! Do you know what is multimedia?
Multimedia refers to the integration of multiple forms of content such as text, audio, image, video, and interactive elements into a single digital platform or application. This integration allows for a more immersive and engaging experience compared to a traditional single medium content.
What is the importance of multimedia? First, enhance communication. Multimedia makes information clearer and more engaging. Second, improve learning. Multimedia creates interactive and immersive learning experiences. Third, increase accessibility. Multimedia caters to different learning styles. Some people learn visually, while others prefer auditory information. Multimedia can make information accessible to everyone. And lastly, effective marketing. Multimedia is essential for creating engaging advertisements, product demos, and online marketing campaigns.
What are the examples of multimedia? Number 1. Text, the most common type of media in multimedia systems, used to relay or reinforce information. 2. Images, photographic images and computer-generated images, and geographic information system maps. Third, audio, music, voiceovers, or sound effects that can set the tone and create an atmosphere. Fourth, video, full motion stored and live video. And fifth, animation, the process of making a still image appear to move. Sixth, websites that combine text and images. 7. Video games that combine graphics, sound, and music. 8. Movies that combine visuals and audio. 9. Slideshows that combine pictures and narration. Last one is presentations that are combined video clips and interactive elements.
An ICT project refers to a project that utilizes information and communication technology ICT tools and systems to achieve a specific goal, typically involving the development, implementation, or improvement of software, hardware, or network infrastructure to facilitate information sharing and communication within an organization or system. For example, attendance management system, a system that tracks student attendance and sends automated notification to absentees. Interactive quiz platform, a platform that conducts quizzes, provide feedback, and track student performance. Social change, ICT can help disadvantaged community participate in policy decisions that can benefit them. Child marriage, ICT can help prevent child marriage by providing access to birth certificate and ID card. Software development, development and installation of new software products.
Information and communication technology. ICT is important because it helps people communicate, learn, and do business. ICT broad category of tools that includes computer, tables, and online resources. Examples of important aspects of ICT include communication tools like email, video, conferencing, data storage, and analysis capabilities. Online collaboration platform, automation of task aspect to information through the internet, digital learning platforms and education, and cybersecurity measure of protecting.